These are some of the scariest crosswind landings from my series Weekly Dose of Aviation. In this video, we've got close calls, go-arounds, collisions and more. First up is this Boeing 777 that wasn't able to land during a typhoon in Taiwan. And earlier, another 777 faced the same struggle. During another typhoon in Taiwan, this UPS Boeing 747 suffered a massive engine pod strike on its third landing attempt.
Easy! Oh my flipping heck! Wow! I'm surprised that's not touch and go, mate.
This Boeing 777 struggling to land during a typhoon in Taiwan. The aircraft touched down hard after reverse thrust was deployed in the air. This Airbus A321 battling strong winds in Taiwan. Moments later, this Boeing 777 landed sideways. Wind shear at Madeira Airport caused this Airbus A320 to go around with a sharp right turn. This Boeing 767 was unable to land during a storm at London Heathrow. After flying from Chicago, the crew declared an emergency due to low fuel and diverted to Edinburgh. There, they landed safely 1 hour after the first attempt. This C-123 was landing in a crosswind when its right wing dove toward the ground. Luckily, the pilot saved it at the last second. This Boeing 737 had to go around after bouncing at Amsterdam.
What you saw, she knows where the problem is. She thinks you didn't know the incident.
Floater.
But that's something maybe ChatGPT can help you with. If you say, hey, listen, I want to make a widget and this is what I run into.
Can you approach?
Today, regardless of runway use, will most likely come to the Polderbaan. At least that's what I'm betting on. Quad squad member number 1, will it land or will it go around? What a big crap that was. And bam! Look at the almost, it's almost 90 degrees of rotation. Oh, getting it stable, going around? Yeah, it's going around. Separate video incoming.
This Boeing 777 struggling to land at JFK Airport. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Ground Delta.
This Airbus A320 landed on one wheel at a windy Taiwan airport. After a strong wind gust, this Airbus A320 became unstable, forcing it to go around.
Whoa, whoa! Mate! Yeah, go around. Flipping it, that is not a stable go around.
This Boeing 737 pilot battling a storm while landing.
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
This Airbus A320 touched down late at Madeira Airport in strong winds. While landing at Newcastle Airport, this Airbus A319 had to battle storm flurries.
Put it down, put it down. Put it down. Go on. Oh. Flippin' Nora.
And those are just some of the scary crosswind landings from the series. You can go watch more on my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.